From hypersonic missiles to nuclear torpedoes, Russia is building weapons the world has never seen before. These are the top 5 most powerful and terrifying weapons in Russia's arsenal. Let's break them down. The Avangard Hypersonic Glide Vehicle, first unveiled in 2018, travels at speeds far exceeding the speed of sound and can carry both conventional and nuclear payloads. Measuring approximately 18 feet in length, it is reportedly capable of flying at speeds between 20 and 27 times the speed of sound. This gives it a critical advantage. Most current missile defense systems are incapable of intercepting anything moving that fast, let alone reacting to it in time. According to analysts, the Avangard differs from traditional ballistic missiles in its maneuverability and ability to perform rapid evasive actions at low altitudes. As it approaches its target, it can make high-speed vertical and horizontal dodging maneuvers, making it significantly harder to track and counter. What makes the Avangard especially devastating is that it can maintain these maneuvers while carrying a heavy payload. When fully armed, it is believed to be capable of delivering a warhead with an explosive yield of up to 2 megatons of TNT. If these assessments are accurate, the Avangard may reintroduce a first strike advantage and potentially reignite an arms race reminiscent of the Cold War, unless other global powers not only develop their own versions, but also dramatically improve their missile defense capabilities. According to the Center for Strategic and International Studies, SIZE, the S-500 is capable of launching the long-range 40N6M missile, which has a range of up to 400 kilometers. While its 77N6 series interceptors can reportedly reach targets up to 600 kilometers away, Moscow claims its new Promety system is the only weapon capable of intercepting Russia's own hypersonic Kinzhal missile. The Kh-47M2 Kinzhal, codenamed Dagger by NATO, has an estimated range of around 300 miles and a reported top speed of Mach 10. Believed to be capable of carrying both conventional and nuclear warheads, the Kinzhal is one of Russia's most formidable weapons. The S-500's ability to detect and engage aerial targets up to 600 kilometers away means it can neutralize incoming threats before they reach military assets or critical infrastructure. According to Army recognition, furthermore, the S-500 Promety system integrates advanced radar technology and command and control capabilities, ensuring seamless detection, tracking, and engagement of multiple targets simultaneously, including stealth aircraft and missiles designed with low observable technologies to avoid detection. This makes the S-500 a key component of Russia's multi-layered missile defense shield, with the capacity to operate in contested environments, respond rapidly, and engage multiple threats at once. Among Russia's recent missile announcements is a new nuclear-powered cruise missile with unlimited range, a claim that has raised eyebrows both for its technical feasibility and its relevance as a modern weapon. The Burevestnik, known by its NATO reporting name SSC X-9 Skyfall, is a low-flying, nuclear-powered, nuclear-armed cruise missile under development for the Russian armed forces. According to Russia's Ministry of Defense, the missile's range is effectively unlimited. Burevestnik is one of 6 strategic weapons unveiled by Russian President Vladimir Putin on March 1, 2018. The concept bears a resemblance to the United States Project Pluto, a Cold War-era nuclear-powered missile program that was abandoned in 1957. Cruise missiles offer certain advantages over ballistic missiles. They can fly under or around missile defense radar and interceptor systems. However, conventional jet-powered cruise missiles are limited by fuel range and flight duration. In theory, if the energy from a nuclear fission reaction can be used for propulsion, it would offer vastly more energy per unit of fuel mass. This could allow the missile to launch from well outside a target's defense perimeter, follow unpredictable flight paths to evade detection, and loiter for extended periods before striking. The T-14 Armata is Russia's next-generation main battle tank, MBT, built on the Armata Universal Combat Platform. Initially, The Russian military planned to procure 2,300 T-14 tanks between 2015 and 2020. However, by 2018, production and financial constraints delayed the timeline to 2025 until Russia officially canceled the large-scale production plan on July 30, 2018. Nevertheless, as of 2021, Russian state news agency TASS reported that serial production of the Armata was expected to begin in 2022. A trial batch of 100 tanks was scheduled for delivery to the elite 2nd Guards Tamanskaya Motor Rifle Division, with formal handover to follow pending completion of all state acceptance tests. In December 2021, the Russian state corporation Rostec announced that mass production had officially started, with over 40 Armata tanks expected to be delivered to the Russian armed forces after 2023. On March 4, 2024, Sergei Chemezov, CEO of Rostec, confirmed that the T-14 Armata had entered service with the Russian military. However, he also noted that due to high costs, the T-14 would not replace the currently fielded T-90 as the Army's standard main battle tank. Russia is expanding its nuclear arsenal with a game-changing addition. Its own original nuclear warhead-equipped torpedo, the Poseidon, known to NATO as Canyon, is a revolutionary nuclear-powered torpedo with unprecedented capabilities. Developed by the Rubin Design Bureau, Poseidon boasts an effectively unlimited range thanks to its onboard nuclear reactor. It was first test-launched on November 27, 2016, from the B-90 Seraph submarine. The torpedo can dive to depths of 3,280 feet, 1,000 meters, and reach speeds of up to 100 knots, 115 miles per hour. But at 60 feet in length and weighing over 90 tons, Poseidon is the largest torpedo ever built, combining sheer size, high speed, and stealth to evade detection and defense systems. Poseidon can be equipped with either a conventional or nuclear warhead, with an estimated yield of up to 2 megatons. This destructive potential allows it to target naval carrier groups or coastal cities with devastating precision. Some reports speculate that it could generate a radioactive tsunami capable of wiping out entire coastal regions, underscoring its role in Russia's nuclear deterrent strategy. However, these claims remain unverified, adding to the mystery and fear surrounding this weapon. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.